we can see composition of three functions. So previous class we did see composition of two functions. So what are the two f and g? Two functions we did see. So here three functions. We can f, g, h. So what are this function? F composite into g composite h is equal to f composite g into composite h. So what property type there? Associative property type there. Now, so three function commutative property type there. Two function commutative property type there. Three function what type there? Composition three function. So associative property type will be now. So example 1.24. If what is the f of x given, g of x also given, and h of x also given, three functions given. So prove that f composite into g composite h is equal to f composite g composite h. So LHS and RHS are equal. We have to do prove now. So we can find the solution here. Here you have to take. So what given? What given? So given. What is the f of x? 2x plus 3. So what is the g of x? 1 minus 2x. What is the h of x? 3x. What is the h of x? 3x. So what is the property here given? F composite into g composite h is equal to f composite g composite h. Now, so first you have to take. So what is the LHS? Here LHS. What is the LHS here given? F composite into G composite H. F composite into G composite H. So inside bracket what there? G composite H. Now that find first. G composite H you have to do find first. So G composite H means so imaginarily X there now. So G composite H means what type we can write? G composite H means G composite H of X. No, G composite H of X. So another side going time what type will come? G of H of X. G of H of X will come. No. So then G of what is the H of X? 3x. Now what is the H of X? 3x will come. No. So then this you have to consider equation of no. This you can consider x, the value of x. Now so outside what there? G. What is G means? G of x. In G of x what type will be? 1 minus 2x there. Now 1 minus 2x. X place we have to substitute the value of x. So x place you have to do substitute value of x. So 1 minus 2 into x value what? 3x now. 3x. So then what will get? 1 minus 2 3 is a 6x. 1 minus 6x will get. 1 minus 6x will get. So then after that LHS full we can find. So what is LHS? F composite into G composite H of imaginarily X will be G composite X. Now F composite into G composite H you have to find now into X will come. So then another side going time what time will come? F into G composite H of X. F into G composite H of X. Now G composite H of X will come. G composite H of X will come. Now G composite H of X will come. Now another going time F into G composite H of X will come. So then F of G composite H of X. What is that? G composite H of X we already did now. 1 minus 6x. 1 minus 6x. This we can consider x value. This we can consider x value. Now, so then, so after that, so outside what there? F there. F means f of x. In f of x we have to check. F of x what there? 2x plus 3. No. So 2 into x place we have to substitute 1 minus 6x. So 2 into 1 minus 6x plus 3. Now, so then what will get? 2 into 1, 2 plus into minus 2 into 6, 12x plus 3. Then no. So then these two we can add. So 2 plus 3, 5 minus 12x will come. 5 minus 12x. So F composite into G composite H of x. what will come? 5 minus 12x. This is your consider equation number 1. Equation number 1. Then after that we can take RHS. So what is that? RHS. So what is RHS? F composite G, F composite G, composite H. No, F composite G, composite H. So first inside bracket what there? F composite G. We have to do find. No. So what is the F composite G? F composite G means F composite G of X. We can convert F composite G of X. So other side going time what I will come? F of G of X. F of G of X. No, F of G of X. Then F of, so what is the G of X? What is the G of X? 1 minus 2x. No, 1 minus 2x. So in this we can consider X value. In this we can consider X value. Outside what there? F. F means F of X. F of X we can consider. So what is that? 2 into X place you have to consider 1 minus 2x. X place you have to consider 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus 2x plus 3 there plus 3 there now. So then, so what will come? 1 into 2 minus plus and minus minus 2 to the 4x plus 3. So these two we can add now. So then what will get? 2 plus 3 5. 5 minus 4x will get. So if composite G of X what? 5 minus 4x now. So then after that, so RHS full we can find. RHS full we can find. So what will get? F composite G. So composite H now. F composite G, composite H means F composite G, composite H of X we can consider. F composite G is full now. F composite G, composite H means F composite G, composite H of X. So answer going time what will come? So F composite G into H of X will come. Right? F composite G into H of X will come now. So then F composite G into H of X will come now. So then what is the F composite G into, what is the H of X? 3x now. 3x. This we can consider X value. This we can consider X value now. So F composite G. What is the F composite G? F composite G means F composite G of X. No. So what is it? 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x. So outside what there? F composite G outside there now. So in this value we consider X value. Outside what there? F composite G value what? 5 minus 4x. So then 5 minus 4 x place you have to consider 3x. X place you have to consider 3x. Now so then, so 5 minus 4 3s are 12x will come. So this you have to consider equation number 2. So compare equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 equally there. So equation 1 equal to equation 2. So we prove that LH is equal to RHS. We prove that LH is equal to RHS. So what is it? So F composite into G composite H is equal to F composite G into composite H. So LHS and RHS are equal. So we prove that.